Hi there. My son is in year 11. He's currently working hard for his GCSEs. And yesterday he was doing some exam prep, some tightening techniques for GCSE maths higher tier. And there was one question that kind of scuppered him a little bit because of not the maths itself, but more the context and how it was presented. It was only a 3 marker. It was right at the end of the paper. It was an AQA higher paper. And what we're presented with is a quadratic in the completed square form, but a generic quadratic, y equals x plus a all squared plus b. And we're told two things about this quadratic. We're told that it passes through point A, which has coordinates 3, 1. We're also told it has an x coordinate of its turning point at -2. And we are basically asked to find the values of a and b, the two unknown constants. So what you may know is the turning point of any completed square quadratic is basically the x value is -a, because you have to set the bracket x plus a to 0 to give the minimum value of y. Okay, so that happens when x is -a, and the corresponding y value then becomes b. So there's your generic turning point. So a quadratic, obviously looking like this. There's our point at the bottom, the minimum, and we're told that at x equals -2, that is our minimum point. So basically, we know that -a is equal to -2. So we can plug that into here. So we now know that we end up with a quadratic that's y equals x plus a, or x plus 2, sorry, all squared plus b. Okay. And we're also told that our point 3, 1 is actually on our curve. So we can sub the values 3, 1 in there. Okay, remember to go the right way round. Our x value is 3, our y value is 1. So 1 equals, we don't have to expand this, we can just go ahead and sub in 3 plus 2 all squared plus b. So 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 squared plus b. So we know that 1 equals 25 plus b. So therefore, basically solving that really straightforward linear equation, we end up with b is equal to 1 subtract 25 is -24. Okay, so we can go ahead and write our equation of our quadratic down. Y equals x plus 2 all squared minus 24. And that was worth 3 marks. But it was the context that caught my son out. So I thought I'd share that with you. So while I'm here, obviously that was a bit of a challenging question. So what I'm looking to do is run some exam skill sessions on Saturday the 10th, this coming Saturday the 10th of May, between 10 and 12 online, and between 1 and 3 also online. So it'll be a small group session focusing on questions such as this: quadratics, circle geometry, solving quadratic simultaneous equations, really the higher end stuff that causes a few problems, the 7, 8 and 9 material towards the end of the papers. So I'm looking to run that on Saturday the 10th. And to book this, all you need to do is email me on inquiries@advancedstemtuition.co.uk, or visit my Facebook page, Advanced STEM Tuition, and personal message me. Obviously, that's going to be really sort of helpful for those of you who really want to push yourself towards that grade 9. Yeah, let's just get it booked in and get some maths done, and hopefully I'll see you there. Okay, thanks.